Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you here today, and if you're coming in from my other video, the favorite brushes one, thanks for coming because I invited you to come to this one after that one. But anyways, today I'll just be showing you how to do that makeup look using good old Modern Renaissance palette, and I hope you guys enjoy. But I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Hey guys, so I kind of made a mistake when I decided to do my one eye first before I did the other one, and I kind of forgot that I was filming, or like I was planning on filming, so I just like went ahead and started my eye. So I'm just gonna have to go back with you guys. I finished this one, but I need to explain to you guys what I've done so far. Today I have been using the Modern Renaissance palette. And what I have done so far, it's just been 2 steps, so I guess you haven't missed a ton. But I just grabbed the Love Letter color and I took it on this small like pencil type brush from ColourPop, and I just packed it on both the outer and the inner corner and built those up. And I left the gap in between, just went here and here. And once I did that, then I grabbed a fluffy blending brush and took a burnt orange right here and started blending it from the middle and did this back and forth. And then I did little circles. I didn't want to go too high up either, so it's pretty just set right in that crease. So I'm just going back and forth, and then I grabbed the small pencil brush again and did this again to kind of bring the pink back into the middle area. So that's where we're at right now. But next I grabbed this color right here. It's the Cypress Umber. So I just went ahead and did it at the very outer corner. Like I did a very, very tiny amount, and then grab a little bit more. And I'm gonna take that fluffy brush again. Once it's blended out, then we can move into the pop of color that's right there, the shimmers. For that, I just took any flat brush like this, like really tiny flat brush, and I went into, surprise, my Zulu palette, and I grabbed this shimmer. Like it's a really beautiful rose gold shimmer, and because I wanted to pop a little bit more, then what I did is take my setting spray and I just give that a little spritz, and once it's coated good with that water or with that setting spray, then I go in. Good. And to see how harsh the lines are right now around that shimmer, I'm gonna take that same pencil brush and go on the very edges to marry the matte and the shimmer, like so. I took the Modern Renaissance and went into the color Primavera right here, and because the brush is still a little bit damp, it's still gonna get that effect of like foil. And I just went on the very center part. I don't go anywhere around it, I just hit that very center. So now I'm going to do the under area. I grabbed that blending brush, or that pencil brush I mean, took a little bit of Love Letter, which is that pink that we have all around, and then again with the brown, I'm going to take this color and a little bit of the rose gold from the Zulu palette. So that's going to give you that same effect that we have going on at the top, but on the bottom. With any brown liner. Okay, and then just to finish it off, I did a very, very thin line of liner with that brown liner again. To finish it off, of course, we need a brow bone highlight, so I'm going to call the color Tempera and highlight that brow bone. Okay. And to blend it all together, just grab any clean, big, fluffy brush, like really big, fluffy brush, and go over top of everything with no product. And good. Okay, so I pretty much have all my face done. I'm gonna go ahead and link everything that I have used down in the description bar because that's where all of the products I always use are down below, so if you ever miss anything, it's down there. The only thing I haven't placed on my face so far is highlight. And for highlight, I'm gonna be taking the Champagne Pop highlight. I am almost done with this. I'm super excited. You know what I forgot? To do my inner corner highlight in this eye. So again, taking the color Primavera and putting it right in that inner corner. Good, that looks better. Alright, so next I am going to do my mascara. Okay, so I'm back and mascara is done. Again, if you want to know what mascaras I use like a bunch mixed together so that I can get that effect that I want for my lashes. So I believe that the last thing that I have to do today for this tutorial is lips. So if you haven't seen my top 10 summer lipsticks, you should. I'll leave the video somewhere in the screen. But I mentioned these ones, and these are the Power Lips by New Skin, and honestly they are so good. They make your lips just feel so plump and so moisturized, even though they're really good at staying in place throughout the day. So I want to show you this color. This is the color Maven. And you see how I'm just doing this all with one swipe. I'm not gonna have to reapply. And the color payoff is good. Okay, and you guys saw that. That was just one color swipe. So that's looking pretty good. But okay, you guys, so that is it. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I like it. I haven't played with makeup in like a week now. And it feels so weird. Does it ever happen to you that when you haven't done your makeup, even if it's just like in 2 days, when you're doing it again, you're like, wait, what goes first? It's like it's a process and you have to practice at it. So anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video and that you like this eye look. If you do, then go ahead and please recreate it and tag me in your pictures. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also feel free to watch my other videos on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and upload a video on my favorite brushes, so if you're coming in from that video, because I'll be posting that one before this one, hello. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I grabbed a fluffy